And here is our New Year's Century Tuna Pasta. They have all the protein that you need, carbohydrates, the goodness. Gusto nyo sumexy, this is the dish for you. Ah. It's like heaven on a plate. Yan yun. Wow. Hi, I'm Richard Gomez and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we are preparing Century Tuna New Year's Pasta. Okay? Let's do this. Ito, one of the easiest pasta dishes na pwede nyo gawin. No cooking required except for the spaghetti. So what we'll do is, we'll make the sauce first. No? I always want to use yung Century Tuna. For this dish, I want to use Century Tuna in oil. So, dalawang options mo dyan. Gusto mo ng oily or gusto mo yung watery. Ako, I choose the oil because that's what we're going to use for pasta. But what I'll do also is that I'm going to drain a little of the oil of this. And then, mamaya, I'll slowly adjust na lang if I need it to be more soft, no? Para sa nagagawa tayong parang something parang how do you call it? Parang paste na. Nice. So since dami tayo dito, I'll get two. I'll use 2 cans of tuna. There you go. Yeah, nice. Okay, and then we'll just use a food processor. Nice. And then with this, lagyan siya ng lemon. Okay, there you go. So, yun lang. Good. We're putting in some orange juice. Basta pag mga dishes mo may seafoods, no? And tuna, shellfish, shrimps. Almost always lagi meron lemon juice. Okay? And then we'll put in some garlic. Okay. So, it depends kung gaano ka tapang yung garlic ang gusto ninyo. So it depends on you. But I'll put about 2 or 3 cloves of this. There. And then, grate natin dito. Like this. Then, sarap nito. And then, lagyan natin ng olive oil. There you go. And then, tapos meron siyang konting water. No? So, and then we'll let it emulsify. Then we'll put in lots of pepper. Ayan natin yung pepper yan. Ayan. And then, to make it exciting, lagyan na siya ng chili. Ayan. Remember, maanghang to. So, hindi nang kakamay yan. Gawin tayo nito. Ayan. Bread scraper. A dough scraper. And then, we'll make a paste out of this. We'll slowly adjust. Before I start that, I'm going to put in my pasta already dito sa boiling water. Yun, no? Ito nyo. Ganda, oh. We'll put in lots of salt. Yun. Should be good. And we'll put in our pasta. Leave it there. Nasa kumulo. Cook it 9 minutes. So while we're doing that, we're going to work on our tuna. Go. Good. And then you see it. It's a little dry. What you do is put more oil and you can put some pasta water. Okay. Dapat yung consistency na medyo basa siya because we're going to mix it with our pasta. Yan. Okay. I get some pasta water. Ooh. At too much. Pakonti-konti lang. We'll do it again. So, take a look at the consistency. Ayan. Tapos, ito, titikman na natin siya. Okay. Sarap. But, I want it mas liquid pa siya na konti. I'm going to put a little more oil. And then I'm going to process it a little more. Yun. Okay. Okay na. Sarap. Woo! Sarap. This is good. 9 minutes. And then, sometimes, you also have to check. Pag sinabi 9 minutes, mga 7 minutes pala, titignan mo na kung maganda na ba, kung al dente na ba yung spaghetti mo. So, from here, makikita mo kung al dente siya. So, you can see, hindi pa. Sintigas pa siya. Oh. So, this should take another 3 more minutes. No? Okay? So, while we're waiting for that to cook, i-transfer ko na itong tuna sauce natin. Lilipat ko na siya dito. Careful kasi minsan nahuhulog yung gitna niya, yung pinaka-blade niya. Oh, nice. Leave some para sa, you can put it sa pang-garnish natin. There. Then again, check on yung pasta. Alam mong malapit na yun. Malapit na ito. Okay. Good. 30 more seconds. While we're waiting for that, I'll prepare some garnish already. Yung garnish natin. Yung small size of this inside. Para maganda yung color ng pasta natin. Okay? Look at this. It's going to look so festive. Very festive. Nice. Beautiful. Patabi natin siya dito. Okay? And then we're ready to pull out our pasta. Okay, here you go. And then I'll put in some bell pepper. There. I leave some para sa pang-garnish natin. Nice. Good. Nice. See, from there, just go straight. Beauty. Beautiful. See that? Ganda, oh. Okay. Nice. Turn this off. Okay. Close this. At put a little pasta water para pang-emulsify lang natin a little more. Okay. Pag kulang pa, dadagdagan natin. So let me just mix it. Well lang, just keep on mixing it. Nice. Beauty. Hanggang sa maghalo talaga siya ng mabuti. Yan, oh. Oops. Careful, ito matalsik. Nice. Beautiful. Ito. Woohoo! Beauty. Just the way I wanted. Nice. Oh, look at this, huh? See this color? This color of tuna. That is actually the color of the year of 2025. It's mocha mousse color from Pantone. Galing. Perfect timing, no? So, just before you serve it, lagi niyong titikman. Okay, start. Just a little. Good. Okay. Put it here. Dito na siya i-roll. Rollan dito yung spaghetti natin. Ready for serving. Okay. Nice. Dadalhin mo. And here is our New Year's Century Tuna pasta. Beautiful. Ganda. So festive. Oh. Let's try this. Ganda. Ang ganda talaga na itsura. Take a look at that. Oh? So festive, di ba? Okay. Let's try this one. Sobrang ganda niya. Parang nakakapanghinayang kainin. Here we go. It's like heaven on a plate. Yun. Wow. It's the best, though, for New Year. Serve this with your friends and your family. Sarap kainin. Saya. Huh? Sakto yung garlic. Sakto yung tang niya from the lemon and the tuna. Up. Wow. Really good. I love this. I said I really love this. Galing. One more. They have all the protein that you need. Carbohydrates. The goodness. And if you're some Mexi, this is a dish for you. Thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma. Please like, share, subscribe, and press on the notification bell para alam nyo kapag meron tayong bagong video na palabas. So again, do this in your own kitchen, serve it to your friends and your family, and have a wonderful 2025. Bye!